Up guys, alright, so we're back here with another video. Just thought I'd do one because I'm off work and I'm cleaning out my truck for the first fishing trip of the year. So I got into not a crash because no law enforcement were involved, but I crashed into a ditch when it was there was about that much ice on the road, and so a bunch of the stuff in my truck went flying around, and a lot of my fishing rods got broken. Here, let me show you real quick. This is my girlfriend's, and then this one's mine. Got fully snapped in half. So I don't have any rods at the moment, but I'm gonna try and fix this reel. So this one got fucked up in the truck as well. This came from another rod I have. So this thing that makes it spin fell off. Okay, so I mean it could spin, right? But if I do this, it's just breaks off immediately. So you got this right here. Let me try and get it to a point where you can see it. There we go. Yeah, so that right there is not good. So what we're gonna try and do is, because it fits on right here, so we're gonna try and flip this around where I can get it. Gotta keep spinning it. Okay, maybe the other way. There we go. Alright, so now I can fit it back on, but there's still a crack. Alright, so sorry, the trash guy just got here. So what we're gonna try and do is super glue it back together, because if I hold that, this can still move up and down, but it's just a part of the bracket for it that's broken. So we're gonna work on that, and then we're just kind of clearing up my truck right now because I'm gonna take my buddy's kayak too. We're both going on a little fishing trip. So yeah, just please stay, and we got some more stuff right ahead in this video. Finish the rest of this truck, clean it out, and then I'll get right back to you guys. All right guys, so we're back here. Kind of a continuance to the first video I made. I'm merging these two together, but I'm not going on the trip anymore, but I still might go fishing tomorrow. But I kind of just left everything else in my truck, just the toolbox and all that. But yeah, so please like, subscribe, and comment, and please share this. And let's try and get to 150 subscribers if we could. So thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate you all. And we are going to make a fishing video soon, so please stay tuned. And then we're also gonna make a video on fixing my generator, which was also in the back of my truck, and there was a fuel line that got snapped, and the axle for the wheels on it got snapped too. So yeah, we're just gonna do that for now. But yeah, all right, well, thank you guys for watching. Please have a great rest of your guys' day. Thank you.